Gor Khatri. From a sacred mound to a royal inn and now a center for culture and learning, Gor Khatri is more than a tourist spot. In the 17th century, Mughal Princess Jahanara Begum, daughter of Emperor Shah Jahan, built a magnificent caravanserai here. A grand inn for traders on the Silk Road. Later, during the Sikh Empire, mercenary Italian governor Paolo Avitabile made it his residence. A recently completed massive renovation project has breathed new life into these historic walls. Archaeological excavations have unearthed artifacts from multiple eras, and the complex now houses a branch of the Peshawar Museum. The head of the project says the discoveries are profound.
Present building is from 1638, and the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan daughter Jahan Ara built this building as a caravanserai. The archaeological excavation is completed back in 2012. Actually, the excavation is started by the Directorate of Archaeology and Museum Government of Pakistan back in 1992, and it is completed in 2012. We have Indo-Greek period, and we have Sito-Parthians, we have Kushan, we have White Huns, Hindu Shahis, Mughals, Sikh period up to British era.
The artifacts found here are dated to almost 2,000 years old, making Peshawar the oldest still living city in South Asia.
मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश ये है कि बस हमारे पास आने वाली नस्लें भी यहाँ ये जगह तारीखी जगह देखें और लुत्फ़ अंदोज़ हो और तारीख से वो भी वाकिफ़ हों.
زه ګور کټري د کلچر او ټوریزم پروموټ کوم چې خلکو ثقافت پروموټ کوم دا جوړ ثقافت دی عبارت نو راشي خلک دې په خواني شنو ګور ډېر خوشاله.
It's a testament to Peshawar's incredibly diverse past, ensuring that the echoes of history will resonate for years to come.